CTV's John Musselman joins us now. He's in Burlington at the trial of the woman charged with giving water to pigs on their way to slaughter. John, what was the focus of the testimony today?
Well, we heard from some expert witnesses today, Ken, called by the defense, talking about animal intelligence and what Heather Krajnc did and why she did it.
On the morning of the trial, activists were back offering water and taking pictures of a truckload of pigs being delivered to this slaughterhouse in Burlington.
It's not something that we do that was just like a one-time stunt. This is part of our way of showing compassion to the animals, and I think it's like the least we can do as humans is to show them one little moment of compassion.
And it's this weekly ritual that's been ongoing for 3 years that landed activist Anita Krajnc in legal trouble. She's on trial at a nearby courthouse charged with mischief.
Now we're going to call the cops.
She did the same thing back in June 2015. The owner of the pigs filed a complaint because she was interfering with private property. Krajnc was charged again, this time with obstructing police when a transport truck carrying a load of pigs flipped over near the slaughterhouse, killing some of the pigs. The surviving animals were walked into the plant.
I was just really upset, and I went up there and I started taking pictures, and I crossed the police line. And I was guided back, and I just instinctually just had to be there, and I went again, and then I got arrested, unfortunately.
And while this trial is about a mischief charge, it has morphed into a much bigger story about factory farming and how we treat animals.
Marino is an expert in neuroscience and animal behavior. Today, she testified for the defense that pigs are as emotionally intelligent as dogs, and they experience fear and pain.
And the scientific evidence bears out the fact that pigs are animals who have a sense of self, who feel suffering.
Krajnc has pleaded not guilty and says her actions were justified because the pigs were in distress and needed water.
And the truck driver testified earlier that he didn't know what Krajnc was giving those pigs, and he was worried about contamination. This trial will continue on November the 10th. Reporting live in Burlington, I'm John Musselman.